Hello, in front of me I've got Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you pros and cons after high mileage. Let's start with pros. Many cars run reliably well past 150,000 kilometers with only routine servicing. Engines and gearbox are generally tough. Interior stays solid and rattle-free, with upholstery holding up if not abused. Suspension and brakes are relatively simple and affordable to service. Now let's take a look at the cons. Diesel, EGR, DPF and injectors may need attention if oil changes were stretched or driving was mainly short trip. Clutch, DMF and suspension bushes can wear as on any family hatch. Budget for replacement at higher mileages. Paint and clear coat are prone to stone chipping alloys on higher trims. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.